Don't let that thing on this boat.
Oh my God, is this really happening right now, you guys?
Tiger shark!
Whoa! Yeah. Holy! Holy fuck!
Here he is, here we go. Hey, oh, he's on the boat, he's on the boat. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. Is that normal?
No.
What is that?
I've never seen a shark do that before. Yeah.
Look at his eyes. Oh my God. They're like...
Shark again. Check the shark. Check.
Oh God, there it is!
Get out the water!
No, he's coming, come on, go!
Eat a fish.
Going
after that stingray.
And that stingray is right by them. Yeah, now run! That is a massive shark. And it came all the way up to knee level. Thank God! Thank God!
Oh, come on!
Bull sharks! Holy There it is, look at it. Oh my God! Look at there's the other one! There's the other one! Look at this freaking bull shark! Oh my God! Oh shit! Ah!
Oh my gosh! It's eating it! Oh my gosh!
hungry. This is off St. George Island Beach. Population control, man. Do you really want your kids swimming at this beach? Getting out of hand. Woo, hitting the boat.
There it is, look at it. Oh my God! There's the other one! Oh. That's ridiculous. Look at this freaking bull shark! Oh my God! Oh, there it goes, bye-bye! Bye-bye! Holy no way!
Oh my God. That's a freaking whale.
It's a
What?
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yep. You okay? Yep. Try and close it. Screw that. You're gonna beat yourself.
What is that?
Dude, get out of there.
Whoa!
There you go.
Go on, head home.
Wow.
Para!